Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot connect to App Store on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're having the issue that you cannot connect with the App Store, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first, you have to double check your network connection if you have a strongest Wi-Fi or cellular connection, or you can try to switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and after doing that you have to go back, open your settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you are not connected to any VPN. And after that you have to go back from here and then go for the date and time option, and you have to enable this toggle to set date and time automatically. So after that you have to check for any software update if you have any pending software update. So if you don't have any pending updates, so you must have to go back from here and then go for iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. So after that you just have to go back from here and then go for screen time, go for content and privacy restrictions, and you have to disable all the restrictions from here. And after doing that all, you just have to go back and then you have to make a force restart your phone. So now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you can now easily use your App Store without any issue. So that's how you can easily fix cannot connect to App Store in any iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.